Stop wasting money on clothes you never wear. If you still stand in front of your closet and say, I have nothing to wear, well, this video is for you. I'll be showing you how to fix that problem with the capsule wardrobe that fits your style and your life. And with that being said, let's get straight into today's video. And don't worry, I've created a simple, easy to follow summary of this video. You can download below. It's designed to help you build your capsule wardrobe step by step without overthinking it. A capsule wardrobe is a small collection of clothes that all work together. So fewer pieces, more outfits. And here's the thing that a lot of people don't actually realize. Most people only wear 20% of their wardrobe regularly. So instead of buying more, we're focusing on using what you already have just better. Step 1 is figuring out your personal style, and don't overcomplicate this. Just start saving outfits you actually like. Pay attention to patterns. Are you drawn to neutrals, oversized fits, feminine silhouettes? This becomes your style blueprint. This is actually something I go really deep into in my fashion guide, Shop Your Closet, because your wardrobe only works when it reflects you. Next, you need to edit your closet, and I'm not saying throw everything away. I'm saying be honest. Ask yourself, would I wear this today? If the answer is no, it's either time to let it go or learn how to style it differently. Remember, a good wardrobe isn't about having less, it's about having better options. Now, this is where your capsule wardrobe really starts coming together. Your core pieces. So these are items you can wear multiple ways. For example, a good pair of jeans, tops, a jacket, pieces that can mix and match easily. And if you're not sure what essentials you need, I actually made a full video breaking that down, so definitely check it out after this one. This is the step that is going to make getting dressed easy. Create outfit formulas. Instead of thinking, what do I wear every day? You'll just follow a simple structure. For example, a fitted top with loose pants and statement shoes, or a relaxed outfit with a standout piece. This just helps remove decision stress and makes your wardrobe feel so much bigger. So here's the truth, you actually don't need more clothes to have better style. Most people shop because they don't know how to style what they already own. But once you understand your wardrobe, you stop chasing trends and start building your style. And if you want help actually doing this step by step, from defining your style to creating outfits, I've created my fashion guide, Shop Your Closet, where I walk you through everything in a really practical way. I hope you all found today's video to be helpful. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to download your free summary in the description, and make sure to subscribe for some more fashion videos and some different types of videos every week, because we don't stick to the same videos here. I get bored easily.